Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happy. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so attractive and stylish ideas of pixie haircut with beautiful hair dye, attractive and stylish hair styling, and many much more beautiful ideas in pixie short hair for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped cut, and so attractive, eye-catching, a dye, blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, and gold blonde. And other shade of dye, burgundy color, black color, grey color, and some ideas in funky colors, beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so cute in ash color. Very beautiful ideas of styling, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and so cute, attractive ideas of messy hairstyle, many much more beautiful collection of messy hairstyles, and different ideas of haircut in pixie in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, and you look very sweet. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.